Hey, it's Roger. I'm on location in Lawson in the Mattamy Homes section of brick homes, luxury homes in Waxhaw. Lawson, has been known for Lennar Homes. They've done such a great job in here. But Mattamy, a great builder out of Canada, picked up a number of lots for luxury homes, including this wooded lot and this excellent, really nice luxury ranch I want to give you a tour of. It's available right now, just over $575. To be able to find a house like this that's well under $600-700, 3-car garage, full brick and stone. You see the stone in the front, bay window up in the front, and full brick and stone. I got Jack the real estate dog, got some flagstone right here, double entry door, which again is luxurious. As we go in, I'm going to give you the full tour of this house, including the upstairs. Come, Jack. Now you come in, you've got a formal, and I mean a large study, crown molding, looks like cove molding, nice with a bay window. So this is a large study, guys. This is all luxury. You've got 8-foot doors, 10-foot ceilings, some great formals. This dining room, obviously you could take that light up and make this a cigar room, a reading room, a study, a formal. And the nice thing about this one is that you've got, again, this great little vestibule going in. You've got this guest suite on the main level, again, 8-foot doors, luxury, and a full bath ensuite. It looks like quartz, and a full bath ensuite here. Pretty magnificent on the main level. Now, upstairs, we've got a whole nother bedroom bath combo, so we're gonna look at that. But look at all the millwork and the wainscoting. And this goes up into luxury, guys, much like the Benson from Toll Brothers, wide into this lit, very well lit. It's a cloudy day, about ready to rain in Waxhaw. Look at that, guys. Look at that kitchen. They've got all the deluxe cabinets going up, lighted, stack up above. Wow, this one's got a refrigerator in it, so I'm assuming that's gonna go with the house, wouldn't you? Let's ask for it when we put an offer in. Gourmet kitchen, microwave down in case there's someone that's in a wheelchair, they can access food that way. And good sized pantry as well, little drop zone, and then a good sized laundry room. Here's what I like about the laundry room. By the way, washer dryer, let's take them. Let's put it in the offer. Plus you got this butler's pantry with wine fridge and a sink. I love that. Well, the kitchen is really the heart of the home. So we're looking at it from this angle now. This house is available, ready to go. It's in Waxhaw, right off of, if you take Cuthbertson Road across from where the Cureton town center is, or you could come across Newtown Road to Cuthbertson, come around the bend there, and you'll see this section of luxury homes from Mattamy. That's a two-way fireplace, so you're going to be able to look at that from the inside or from the out as well. Plenty of room for a hutch there. Really, you've got plenty of room for a big dining room table there as well. Now this one's got that see-through fireplace, so you're going to enjoy that from the outside or the inside. This is on a wooded lot, so you've got all that going for you in terms of being able to enjoy the woods in the rear. Let's step back through this foyer here into the master. I love those windows up, plenty of room for your furniture there. Bay window, which is deluxe. And it's not just 3 windows, it's a 4 window. You've got a nice closet right there, as well as a second closet inside. Look at that shower. Man, usually if it's that big, then you've sacrificed the tub, but here you've got both, the tub and a big shower, no fiberglass pan, you've got tile down, luxurious sinks, another big closet, as well as a commode room. Well, let's step out here in this Mattamy Homes, Lawson Luxury Ranch. You know, it's interesting, I get a lot of activity on my YouTube channel. When people see luxury ranch, they want to see what that means, what that looks like. And so here's a quick move home. If you need to move in the summer, bam, here we are. Maybe you've got kids that are moving here, bringing the grandkids, and you want a really nice ranch home. You don't want to settle for a $300,000 $350 ranch home, because there are a lot of those. But this is another level, guys. This is just under 570, just over 575, under 600. and a lot of value. Look how big this loft is. Now, if you've got grandkids coming over, what a great place for them to play. We don't often see this, but a second story deck. I got to go out here and check this out, as does Jackie Boy. Look at this, and you see what the neighbors have done with the pool. Wow. The woods just before the rain, it's so serene. Little drainage creek running down. I love this. But to be able to have a full brick stone home, to be able to come in under 600 in a great area, pretty magnificent. So this is a big loft. And just things like how generous that baseboard is and the 8-foot doors. Even upstairs, a lot of times you've got 6'8" doors upstairs if you got 10s down. So here's that 3rd bedroom suite. And again, shower. This is just magnificent. Always consider that you may want to have a caregiver living with you at some point. If in fact your choices are to have someone live and take care of you 20 years from now or go into a nursing home, I think I would take the former. Jackie likes it. He thinks the carpet's good. He's getting his Mo Larry Curly Joe on. You like it, Jackie? Wow, this is just sweet. It's fantastic. And relative to the grandkids, if they're feeling cramped being downstairs with Grandma and Grandpa, bring them up here to this big. And you got the outdoor, and then you've got a full bedroom and bath. So give me a call at 704-345-3400. Reference Mattamy Homes in Lawson. They've got this great ranch plan, and I think one more. And they've got it as a spec is available now. I believe we could score well on this. I can't wait to talk to you soon. 704-345-3400. We'll talk soon.